The high winds have the potential to cause power outages across West Michigan. Consumers Energy has more than 200 crews on standby. The utility says the snowfall does not have as much of an impact on outages. The big concern is the wind. If outages do happen, a spokesperson says they are confident crews will be able to restore electricity to customers quickly.
Making progress to ensure that no more than 100,000 customers are impacted during any event, even events like this, where it is significant weather, and that if customers are impacted, that we're able to restore them in under 24 hours.
If you do lose power, here's how to keep your food safe. Do not open the refrigerator. Food will stay cold for about 4 hours by keeping the door closed. A full freezer can keep food frozen for up to 48 hours. You can still cook foods from your refrigerator or freezer. Just make sure that it reaches a safe internal temperature to kill any bacteria.